How to create designs like this. They're very easy to do in Photoshop. And the first thing to do is start from a completely fresh white background. Once you've got that, what you need to do is create some lines, very basic lines, and do that I'm going to be using the rectangle tool. Now, of course, you could use gradients, all kinds of different designs, but rectangles in pixel mode, just create it with a particular color. I'm going for yellow in this case, and then just apply it with different colors. Just use the swatches panel to add these lines. So with that added, you can add 3, 4, 10, loads of different colors, but I'm just going to keep it fairly central. And from then I'm going to go into the library panel. The library panel is a powerful panel with a really great feature right at the bottom of the panel. So I've got this design now, and now to the libraries. And you can see libraries. You can do this and create it in any particular library. Of course, you could set up a library for these designs. And now what you need to do is just go to this one, extract from image. Extract from image, and then this panel comes up. Lots of other great options in here, but I'm going to go with the patterns. That's right at the top. And I'm going to go through and I'm going to use that one, the third item in the pattern types. And you can change the scale. You can also reposition it just by moving this around. You can see as you do that, the preview will show you the design it will create. And you could change rotation, etc. But now just click Save to CC Libraries and it just puts it in there. Now it doesn't create a pattern design at this point. So what you do, close it, and now just click on that captured pattern in libraries, and that will create a pattern layer. This doesn't add it to the patterns panel though. And you can change the scale, etc. and click OK. I'm going to flatten it. Just going to flatten it. So you go to layer and then flatten image. Now it's just a background. Well, you can now use it again. Just go again to the libraries panel, down to the bottom, extract from image. And with that, you can then go up along the top. And I'm going to go with the first one this time. Just select that and you can move it around again. You can do all the same things, scale, etc. Once you're happy with design, you can click again, Save to CC Libraries. You can see you can create many variants very quickly by just moving around, changing the scale. Save to CC Libraries, close. And now, once you've done that, you've got another pattern design, which you can then click on the libraries and then click OK. And they have a very quick pattern layer, which of course then you can flatten, you can apply different effects and much, much more.